Here's how we're keeping fragile Christmas ornaments out of the reach of our cats. We used inexpensive 15-foot lamp chains. This one was bronze, and it was about $20. You can get longer and shorter ones too, and you can connect them together with the fastener links that come with them. Here's an example of a fastener that went with our gold chain. If you want to cut one of these chains, try wire cutters like we did. It was so easy. You can use these chains on banisters, around doors, or like we do over our window. You want to use sturdy hardware like screws or picture hangers to make sure your ornament garland won't fall. And once you get the hardware in place, make sure the link is hanging down like this so that it won't shift as you're adding your ornaments. Jamie would love to get this fish. Not too fast, kitty. We're going to put this in a nice, safe place. It's amazing how adaptable lamp chains can be used when it comes to making garlands. Here's how ours looks chock full of ornaments with honeysuckle twigs here and there. You can even put the ornaments down the sides, but we wanted to make sure that any of the ornaments there were not breakable, just in case Kitty wanted to have a swipe at them. So check out the sparkling gold chain we're working on by the Victorian fireplace. This is so easy to add. Foliage and flowers and ornaments are really easy to attach to this. So anyway, we hope we finish this one in time for Christmas. Happy holidays!